Windows 10 really does look very nice, there's no doubt about that. But the problem is, while using it, and I think while a lot of other people have been using it, there's been no moment where I've thought to myself, oh, that's so cool, I've never seen that before. Because all it really is stuff which was in Windows 7, which they took away, and now they've put back again. Hello there, my name is Tech Midget and I'm starting a new series of videos about Windows 10, which Microsoft has released as a kind of like work in progress thing, which people can download and have a go with it themselves, and it is completely free, believe it or not. And I think the only reason for that is because Microsoft have figured out that they're not going to do their own thing and they're going to ask people what they think about what they're doing first. Because right now there's not really much to it. They've added a start menu, they've added some cool little snapping features, I suppose, and got rid of charms. Why not? Oh, and multiple desktops if you really feel like that. They did say though that they are going to put more in as it goes along for re-release sometime next year. But I believe you can get this for free. You don't have to have any special qualifications or anything, because I don't. You can just go to the Microsoft website, I'll put a link in the description, and you can get the download from there. So let's jump right into some of the features of this in more detail. So the update includes the start menu, which is returned from it disappearing in Windows 8. Basically what they've done is they've moved the tiles from a Metro menu, which is gone. They've moved the tiles into the right hand side of the start menu with regular applications running on the left hand side. They've also moved the power button and the logout button to the top. And they've also kept the fact that when you right click on the start menu or start button, you can get access to all the features like disk management and device manager and everything there. The new update also includes a little search button which sits on the taskbar, which you can't remove, which basically when you click on that you can search for things onto the internet, and when you hit enter it will open them in Internet Explorer on Bing. So it's just a quick little way of searching for things like celebrities, for example, or whatever. But you also do get a search of applications on the start menu too. Microsoft have finally listened to what people wanted, and they've made it available so the Metro apps are available to run inside the desktop, and they are resizable inside the desktop. If you do have a touch display, you can hit an option to get the Metro menu back, and you can have an option to have all the apps running full screen like they were on Windows 8. The final big thing about this update is Microsoft has added multiple desktops, so you can add a desktop and switch between them quite quickly. It is slightly buggy at the moment, but I think I'll be looking forward to seeing when that's done, because it is a nice feature which, for example, they've had in Mac for years, which people have liked. But still, it's not incredibly revolutionary. People would have liked to have seen a bit more exciting new features in this, after they've had quite a few years to come up with something pretty decent. And last but not least, snapping on the desktop has got a nice little facelift where you can have 4 apps snapped at once, and when you snap an app you get a nice little friendly suggestion of which apps you want to have snapped on the other side if you wanted to. If you don't, you just click outside those apps and it will keep it exactly how it was. But this is a really nice feature because now you can have 4 snaps apped at once. And it's just a really nice feature, actually. I think I've been waiting for that because I always snap apps, and I've always thought sometimes it would be nice to have 4 apps snapped at once. So kudos to Microsoft there. Hello, thank you very much for watching this video. I'm in a slightly different setting because I forgot to record this last bit and I can't film where I was filming before. So I do hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of Windows 10 in the comments. Please don't tell me to die. It's not nice. Leave a like if you like this video, and leave a dislike if you didn't like it for some reason. And tell me why you didn't either. Tell me if I'm too small or something like that. But I will be doing more videos about Windows 10 as it comes out and stuff, and I will be doing some kind of opinions video about it as well. So, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.